Hi there. Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to share tricks. Oh my god. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. When it comes... Hi there. Hi there. Hi. Hi there. Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to share tricks when it comes to using tinted moisturizer. Typically, tinted moisturizers offer a lighter coverage. However, not all tinted moisturizers offer the same coverage. In fact, these three in my hand from different brands each offer a different coverage from sheer to medium. Despite being called a tinted moisturizer, you should still apply a moisturizer to your face before using this coverage product. To apply a tinted moisturizer, you can use your fingers, a sponge, or a brush. I've chosen to use a brush along with a very sheer tinted moisturizer, which I'm going to apply to half my face so we can take a peek at the coverage. All right, let's check this out. This is the side that I applied the tinted moisturizer to. As you can see, it's really evened out my skin tone and taken down my redness. Now let's do the other side. And there you have it, some quick, easy tips for using a tinted moisturizer.